everyone, welcome to Creativities with Nikita and wish you all a very happy new year. Today I'm going to show you how to paint using sponge. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. The following are the three processes in order which need to be done for this painting. For this painting, we will need sponge. I have collected this one from my purse. I will cut this sponge into small cubes and use this while coloring. First, I have drawn the template and then using a detail knife, I have cut out the template like so, and then I have placed it on a white paper and then start coloring. Apply a little bit of color to one side of your sponge and then start dabbing over the template. I have mentioned all the colors I have used from the Febicryl collection. Enjoy watching the process and coloring. Make sure that you are using a dry sponge and raw color. Do not use any kind of water or water sprinkles to the painting. You can use a thin brush to apply color to the sponge so that your fingers or hands do not get dirty and it would be a neat painting. Please do use different sponges for different colors. That will make sure that your colors won't mix up or won't look clumsy. Make sure that you clip the template over the white page before you start painting. Do not touch or remove the template until you finish the painting completely. If you do so, then it can spoil your painting or the template. It can tear also because it's made of paper, right? While doing tiny or minute areas, apply color to the corner of your sponge and then start dabbing the color. After completing your painting, wait for 5 minutes to dry a little bit and then unclip the template and remove the template slowly from the painting and let it dry completely. After removing the template, I will use some blue and white and mix it with my sponge and apply it on the paper just as if it is resembling the stage for the dancing figure. In this way, I have completed my sponge painting. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment down in the comment section below. And I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.